Good morning, YouTube, cowboys and cowgirls. Got another early morning. We're getting started, picking up the trailer. Just hooked it up. Getting ready to head out to Oak Cliff right now. We've got a house wash, driveway cleaning, sidewalk cleaning. He wants us to pressure wash the garage also. And then he wants us to do some window cleaning as well. So we'll catch you once we get to the job site. All right, so we're at the client's house here. Got a nice painted brick house. You can see some nests up there. There's definitely like some dirt and stuff around on the bottom of the building. Kind of see it all over. Get all that cleaned up. I already brought my hoses to the back. We're gonna start on this side of the house, work our way all the way around. We're gonna clean that patio for him in the back. Get these windows nice and clean. You can see also it's pretty dirty up here. I don't know how easy to see it is in the video. So we've got water filling up already. Then at the end, we'll come around and hit this driveway before we go. And that front walkway. Hit all this as well. That's gonna wrap up today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments whether you like this form of video where it's you guys watching me performing more of the washing, or if you prefer the educational content, or let me know if you want to see something entirely different from this channel. But again, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.